this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat notifications if they're not working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I'm going to walk you through a bunch of different options you have in adjusting the Snapchat notifications to make sure that they'll pop up on your screen and notify you when something's going on. Now, the very first and the simplest thing that you'll want to do is just swipe down from the top right. Now you can see here, you might have on Do Not Disturb. So I can tap that work, Do Not Disturb, sleep, personal. I have it turned on, but if you have that turned on, that basically silences any kind of notifications. So Snapchat could be trying to send you a notification about a message or anything like that, but you might not be getting it because it's on Do Not Disturb. So make sure that's toggled off. Now the next thing we'll do is just head into Snapchat here, and I will tap my profile icon at the top left here, and then the gear icon at the top right. Now if we scroll down, you can see about midway down is notifications. We'll just tap on that, and you can see at the very top, all of them are grayed out and it says enable notifications. I'll tap on that and that will bring me into settings of my iPhone, where you can see towards the bottom here, notifications with a red bell. We'll tap on that and we'll turn on notifications. Now, if these are already turned on, you might want to just review all of these and make sure that the correct notifications that you want to be notified for are actually toggled on your iPhone itself. Because there are two different places that the notification settings are kind of adjusted on for Snapchat. On the settings of your iPhone itself, but also on the Snapchat app. So make sure those are all working. And then at the very bottom, we can hit Snapchat notification settings, and it'll take us back to this. Now, you want to just go into these notifications and you want to start toggling these on or off depending on what you want to be notified for. Potentially, you've toggled off that notification for a specific event, a mention, friend suggestion, a friend's birthday. Say you want to be notified for a friend's birthday, you can toggle that on. So make sure you go through all of these steps and toggle on all of the notifications that you want. Now, the last thing that you can try as well is just holding down the power button and the volume up button, and then turning off and restarting your phone. So if you go through that process to restart your phone after you've had all those notifications turned on, you should get all of those notifications again, and they should be working on your iPhone. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.